Okay, so this example is to do with variable acceleration in one dimension. So we've got particle with acceleration a equals cos 2 pi t meters per second squared. The velocity at t equals 0 is 1 over 2 pi meters per second, all done squared. Find an expression for the velocity at time t seconds, the maximum speed, and the distance travelled in the first 3 seconds. Okay, so for part A, the idea is that velocity is going to be the integral of the acceleration with respect to time. So we're integrating cos 2 pi t with respect to t. And so if we do that, we would get 1 over 2 pi sine 2 pi t plus c. That's obviously crucial. So we're told that when t is 0, the velocity is 1 over 2 pi. So that's what we're told up here. So if you substitute that in, 1 over 2 pi is 1 over 2 pi sine of 0. Well, that's actually just 0. So c is 1 over 2 pi. Hence, the velocity is 1 over 2 pi sine 2 pi t plus 1 over 2 pi. Part B, the maximum speed. Well, the velocity, the maximum value that sine can take is 1. So therefore, the maximum speed will be 1 over 2 pi plus 1 over 2 pi, which is the same as 1 over pi. And then part C, it's asking about the distance travelled in the first 3 seconds. So that's going to come from integrating the velocity. So S is the integral of V with respect to t. In this case, we've got limits of 0 and 3, because if we're talking about the first 3 seconds, and then we need to integrate the function we got for the velocity a moment ago, which was 1 over 2 pi sine 2 pi t plus 1 over 2 pi with respect to t. So we just need to integrate that. If you integrate sine, you will get minus cos, and then we need to divide by 2 pi as well. So that will give us minus 1 over 2 pi squared cos 2 pi t plus 1 over 2 pi times t. Then we've got limits of 0 and 3. If we substitute those in, we're going to get minus 1 over 4 pi squared cos of 6 pi plus 3 over 2 pi minus, and then we've got the same thing, minus 1 over 4 pi squared. So it's cos 0, and then we're going to get a 0 there as well. Cos of 0 and cos of 6 pi, they are both 1. So what we really have is minus 1 over 4 pi squared plus, what was that, 3 over 2 pi? And minus 1 over 4 pi squared here as well. So these two bits are going to cancel each other out. So actually the answer is just 3 over 2 pi.